The Google Pixel 10 is a game changer, and let me tell you why. First off, the AI smarts in this phone are next level. It's like having a personal assistant that knows you better than your best friend. The camera? Absolutely phenomenal. With features like Magic Eraser, you can literally remove unwanted objects from your photos with just a swipe. And the night sight mode? It captures stunning low-light shots that make you feel like a pro photographer. Battery life is solid too, it lasts all day, even with heavy use. Plus, the software experience is super smooth, thanks to the clean Android interface. And let's not forget about the voice recognition, it's so accurate, it feels like it can read your mind. Overall, the Pixel 10 combines powerful features with that signature Google flair, making it a must-have for anyone who loves tech.